Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. When you're engraving on a cup that has a handle, it throws a wrench in the situation. If your cup doesn't have a handle, like a Yeti or something, you can just put it anywhere you want. But you need to be at a right angle from that handle. So I came up with this idea. I thought about it for a while, and at first I was going to put a block underneath the handle. Well, I'd have to move that block every time because when the laser starts, it's going to rotate down and hit the block. So this I can just set on there, set it on the handle, and then rotate my cup till it's level. You know, in days of old, I'd take little pieces of blue tape and then visually mark with a marker, and that would be my top dead center. But that's a little extra work, and this is a lot faster. So how I did it, I measured the cup around the circumference, and it was 10.125. Divided by pi, you don't have to run it out that far, but you can go to the internet and find out pi, and you can cut and paste it in there. So that divided by pi is 3.22 inches. So with my ratio locked, I'm going to draw an ellipse that is 3.222. And then I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then I measured the thickness. I should have taken another picture. The thickness of the handle. The handle was 5/8 of an inch thick. So I need to draw a rectangle. Now I know that 5/8 what it is, but you might not know. So all you have to do is type in 5/8, and it's going to give you that 0.625. Now I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. So that is and then I'm going to hold down the control button. That's probably good enough right there. Then all you have to do is take a rectangle. It doesn't have to be very thick, and you want it to snap right to there. Now, I'm a little bit long probably on both of them, so I'm going to move that over because I just need to be able to touch the handle. So we're going to do that right there. Now, and then I don't need it this much right here. And I just threw a little extra doodad in there. I don't need that extra wood, to jam up on the cup or anything. I mean, you don't have to do that. Then just take the Smart Fill tool. There's your block of wood. Left click, right click, and I would use the MDF because the MDF is going to be a quarter-inch MDF. And like right there, I'm not even holding it. It's kind of standing up. Of course, I'll put my hand on it when I'm rotating the cup around, and then I'll let go, take the laser off, and run the cup, and put another one back in, and there you go. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.